Our newsroom previously reported that a field hospital was established at the Black River Health Center. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton now confirms that the St. Elizabeth Field Hospital has begun operations with plans to expand to other parishes in the coming days. With the details, here's Carla Ramdeen.
Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says the St. Elizabeth Field Hospital has already begun operations, treating 50 patients in its first 24 hours. A team of 60 U.S. health professionals are working alongside local doctors to manage urgent and emergency cases, helping to ease the strain on local hospitals.
A number of services, 13 patient beds, operating theater room, surgical procedure, emergency room, obstetric and maternal and neonatal care, and lab and pharmacy services and blood bank. So it's a full-fledged operation.
Dr. Tufton says the ministry is also mounting a field clinic, which will be a primary healthcare facility on the grounds of Black River Health Center to assist with non-essential cases.
What that will allow for is a triaging process of the non-essential cases, because everybody will come to the hospital. Not everybody needs that kind of service. So that facility will be up hopefully by today. And then once it commences services, the health team, both the local health team and the supporting health team will be there. That will provide very critical services in the parish of Black River, well, the town of Black River, supporting the parish.
He adds that a team of 76 doctors, nurses, and technicians have arrived from Spain, accompanying the mobile facility, which is currently en route from Kingston to Falmouth.
Yesterday, I went to the airport with the Spanish ambassador, EU ambassador, and representatives from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Foreign Trade, to meet 76 citizens of Spain, doctors, nurses, technicians, engineers. They are also going to be deploying a field hospital. I understand that it's on its way now from Kingston, should be in Falmouth by now. And we're hoping over the next couple of days, a second full-fledged field hospital will be mounted in Falmouth with all the services of emergency care, surgery, pediatrics, traumatology, physiotherapy, psychology, general anesthetic services, radiology services, lab, pharmacy, sterilization, and so on. So a full-fledged facility, the second field hospital. We're hoping tomorrow I'll visit that site, and we're hoping that that will be up and running.
The ministry says a third field hospital is on the way and is to be developed at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James, in collaboration with the Government of Barbados, to provide critical support to hospitals and the community. Carla Ramdeen, CVM News.